Hi, and welcome to Social Studies Shorts, where we explore a little more about our state, our country, and the world. Often on this series, we'll take a look at government and how it affects us. Sometimes Kentucky's government, sometimes our country's. A government is a group of people that make rules or laws to govern a place. They often provide services to help things run smoothly. Governments can be local, statewide, national, or even at your school. The government of the United States is made up of three branches: the executive, judicial, and legislative, and so is Kentucky's. Each branch has powers that allow them to check and balance the powers of the others. Kentucky's executive branch includes the governor, the lieutenant governor, and the cabinet. The governor is sort of like the president of Kentucky, with responsibilities like managing the budget, appointing state officials, and approving and vetoing laws. The judicial branch is made up of 4 levels of courts, from the local level up to the Kentucky Supreme Court. The judicial branch makes sure laws are followed correctly. The legislative branch is made up of 2 separate groups or assemblies, the Senate and the House of Representatives. This branch makes laws, oversees the state budget, and levies or imposes taxes. Together, 38 senators and 100 representatives make up the Kentucky General Assembly. The districts these legislators represent are all roughly equal in population and can include multiple counties. Any person elected to the House or Senate must be a Kentucky citizen and meet certain age and residency requirements, or how long a candidate has lived in an area. Senators serve 4-year terms, with half the Senate being elected every 2 years. Representatives serve just 2-year terms. The entire House is elected every 2 years. The General Assembly meets at the start of every year in the Capitol building in Frankfort, Kentucky. To find them, you'll move past massive columns and climb grand staircases to separate chambers on opposite ends of the 3rd floor. The Senate's 38 members meet in the chamber on the west end of the building. The House's 100 members require a little extra room on the east end. In either chamber, the public can watch from spectator galleries when the General Assembly is in session. In even-numbered years, beginning in early January, the legislature meets for up to 60 days. In odd-numbered years, they meet for just 30 days. However, the governor can call the General Assembly back for special sessions to deal with issues not taken care of during the regular session. Recent special sessions have addressed issues with retirement funds, the state budget, health insurance, and alternative energy. So, do you think someday you would like to be a state representative or senator? Or do you see yourself in the role of a judge or even the governor? Only time will tell. We'll see you next time for more Social Studies Shorts.